One day, a boy named Mushfiqur planted some turnip seeds. When the turnips grew, one turnip grew enormous in size.
Wow, look at this enormous turnip. I want it for my tea.
Then he pulled and he pulled, but he couldn't pull it up.
Oof, I can't pull it out. I need help. Idiots, come help me. What's the matter? Help me plug this enormous turnip.
They pulled and they pulled, but they couldn't pull it up.
Oof, it's too strong. We need more. Small iron.
What's going on here?
Help us plug this enormous turnip.
They pulled and they pulled, but they couldn't pull it up.
Oof,
It's too strong. We need even more help. Let's call Safwan.
what's the problem here, everyone?
Help us pull up this enormous turnip.
They pulled and they pulled, but they couldn't pull it up.
Oof, it's too strong. We need one more help. Let's help her. Let's call Wi-Fi.
What's the matter, everyone?
Help us pull up this enormous turnip.
They pulled and they pulled and they pulled.
1, 2, 3,
Pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. 1, 2, 3, pull.
Up popped the enormous turnip.
Yay! We did it.
Thank you, everyone. Now